I'm Rob Jackson. I've been here at Cutco for 20 years. I'm an associate process engineer, and my day-to-day job, I do a lot of CNC and robotic programming. I help develop the new processes and the fixture designs to make the best, fastest, safest, most affordable knife that we can for the company. There's a lot of jobs out there that ergonomically are not easy on people. So we didn't want to replace people with robotics. What we did was we use people to run the robotic cells and to monitor the processes. And maybe they run more than one robot, but still nothing can beat the human interaction of keeping an eye on the quality. We use robotics to do the hard physical work and make the jobs easier and more technical for the workforce. We all have our talents, and we need to work together to bring out the best. I can sketch something out on paper, but when it comes to need something that needs to be drafted where our maintenance shop can produce it, our drafting department definitely has the talent that can put out drawings efficiently that I can't do.
My name is Chantal Cook. I am the drafter of Cutco. I've been working here for 1.5 years now. On a daily basis, we'll have somebody have a sketch on a piece of paper and it's very rough. And then when we get to actually drawing it on the computer, I just take whatever they drew up onto SolidWorks or AutoCAD, whatever is needed. With the printer that we have, we basically can take material like PC, ASA, ABS. It feeds through the 3D printer and then it gets to a warm temperature where it liquefies. It makes a 3D model by layering it up, so you might have 20 plus layers depending on what piece you need. We'll make fixtures like the sensor bracket that I helped make. That way we can see the tolerance on the blade.
I know what I want to do in my head to program the robots, but now I need the machine capability. I need the buffs to spin at a certain speed, a certain pressure, and that's where Dick comes in.
I'm Dick Messer. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Cutco. I've been with the company for 30 years. I do lots of design work on new equipment, new layouts, schematics for new equipment, machine programming, and all the testing and debugging involved with getting the machine running. I helped install 5 robotic systems in our main facility, and I collaborated with Rob on 2 more robotic systems over at our second facility on Seneca Street. Working together, it makes the whole process of what we do more fun because we do get along well, and we each have specific things that we are more knowledgeable in.
When Dick and I started here, a lot of this automation wasn't here. The leadership at Cutco have really had the foresight to see how they can improve the processes and make something better here in Western New York and give us great local jobs. I was never expected to be a high-tech mechanic or robotic technician. I didn't even know what those things were growing up. I evolved to those with my love of working with mechanics.
A lot of people think that art, math, and creating a physical object are all separate things, but in reality, it's all one for a drafter.
You can go to a 2-year program and learn what you want to do. Take some classes. There's a lot of local great schooling that you can take. Go talk to your counselors. Engineering, welding, they're all great trades and they're right here in Western New York.